Hi guys, it's me Owen today, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super cool jet. So it has a flat layer right here, and then these two wings will come up. Yeah, it's a pretty cool plane. And then so what you'll be needing is a rectangle sheet of paper and some thin tape. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to fold this side to this side. And then unfold, fold the top down to the bottom. And then do not unfold. Then what we want to do is we want to fold, see that we got that little crease in the middle? Fold this side into that center. Like, do not pass. Do as best as you can. Do the other side. Unfold, and then you're gonna still have that crease. And then you're still gonna have that crease. So you wanna get to the part where this part is a part. You don't want this part that opens up. That side, you want the top that has locked. So you see that center crease? And then the two creases down right here. So you want to fold it here. Just 1 second. You want to do that. So it was like this, and then I just folded it so that this point landed on the crease and this point landed on the center crease. Do that on the other side. And then fold that to center crease. So you're gonna have this, and then you just want to fold it to the middle. And then do not fold it in half. And then unfold both of those. Unfold everything except this open part. And then here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put your hand inside, land, and then put it over, and then do that, and then make a crease so that it lands on there. Make a crease that it lands on there. And then do not unfold. You want them to both be right by each other. And then after you're done with that, just fold. Then you're gonna have like this. Then you just want to fold that flat. Then you just want to fold that flat right there. See? Just do the same. All you gotta do is fold the flap to the other side. Then you're gonna have these crease right there. You wanna fold this part, not 2 layers, but 1 layer to that. And you don't want to make a point. You want it to have this. See that it's pointing out, and then flip it over, and then do the other side, and then do both, and then do the other side. After you're done, go to one side and fold in the sides. Fold in one side in, and then you're gonna have that, and then go to the other side and fold another part in. And I'm just telling you right now, this plane is not gonna fly as well as you think it is, but it is a really cool plane. I'm just saying that right now. Okay, now you're gonna fold it in half whatever way, because we know. Fold it in half so that. So what? Then just go. and then fold it in half. Not fold it in half so at least one layer can move. See? So first, let's say I went to this side and folded it in half. See? That layer won't move. So then flip it over and then fold it the other way. And then fold the wings just like this. Match the other side. And then you're gonna have this. Well, you're gonna have this loose layer on both sides. Fold that up just a little bit. So I got both sides done. And you wanna go to the bottom and then you're gonna see these two layers. Well, now you're gonna take your thin tape, just a tiny bit. I didn't mean to do that. Here, I can do that. And then tape it so that these layers are locked. And there you go. You got your plane. Don't look different at all. So I hope you like this video. And I hope you like this plane. It is cool to me, and we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.